Toyota cabin air filters are essential components that ensure clean, healthy air inside your vehicle. They work continuously to protect you and your passengers from harmful airborne particles. Cabin air filters serve multiple critical functions. They remove dust and debris from outside air, filter out pollen and allergens that cause discomfort, eliminate unpleasant odors and harmful gases, and protect your vehicle's heating and air conditioning system from contamination. Modern Toyota filters use advanced multi-layer technology. These HEPA-style filters include activated carbon layers that remove odors and gases. They achieve 99.97% efficiency in capturing particles, providing enhanced protection against pollutants and allergens. Newer Toyota models from 2022 onward include smart digital maintenance reminders. These systems track filter life based on your actual driving conditions, monitor air quality, and automatically schedule maintenance. This technology ensures optimal filter performance and timely replacements. Replacement intervals depend on your driving conditions. Standard recommendation is every 12 to 15,000 miles or annually, whichever comes first. Urban drivers in polluted areas should replace filters every 8 to 10,000 miles, while those in dusty environments need even more frequent changes. Toyota has standardized cabin air filter locations for easier maintenance. Most filters are located behind the glove compartment, with 2020 and newer models featuring tool-free access. These design improvements make do-it-yourself replacement much more accessible for vehicle owners. Regular cabin air filter maintenance is essential for clean air, protecting your health and maintaining your vehicle's heating and air conditioning efficiency. Understanding these basics prepares you for proper filter replacement and maintenance. Now we'll walk through the complete step-by-step process to replace your Toyota's cabin air filter. This DIY approach will save you around $60 compared to professional installation. Step 2. Access the filter location. In most Toyota models, the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. You'll need to remove the glove box or access panels to reach it. Step 3. Remove the old filter. This is crucial. Before removing the old filter, take note of the airflow direction arrow. This will ensure you install the new filter correctly. Understanding airflow direction is critical for proper installation. The new filter must be installed with the airflow arrow pointing in the same direction as the old one. Installing it backwards will reduce filtration efficiency significantly. Step 4. Inspect the filter housing and clean if needed. Remove any debris, leaves, or dirt that may have accumulated in the housing area before installing the new filter. Step 5. Install the new filter with the correct airflow direction. This is the most critical step. Ensure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction as the original filter. Step 6. Reassemble the glove box and panels. Carefully put everything back together, ensuring all clips and pins are properly secured. Step 7. Test the HVAC system operation. Turn on your vehicle and test the air conditioning and heating to ensure proper airflow and that everything is working correctly. Step 8. Reset the maintenance indicator if your Toyota model has one. Many newer models have digital reminders that need to be cleared after filter replacement. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Toyota's cabin air filter. By doing this yourself, you've saved approximately $60 compared to professional installation while ensuring your vehicle's air quality remains optimal.